AOCHUAN AI Module Tutorial. Before using the module, please enable Bluetooth in your phone settings and connect to the stabilizer's Bluetooth. Then, flip the power switch at the bottom of the remote to on. Press and hold the shooting button for 3 seconds to power on. A steady blue indicator light on the remote signifies a successful Bluetooth connection. Attach the module to the stabilizer's phone clamp, ensuring it is properly seated in the slot. Either side of the module can face upward. To switch to landscape mode, double-click the shooting button on the remote. Slide the module side switch to power it on. The module will automatically connect to the gimbal. At this point, the indicator light will stay solid blue by default. The gesture recognition function is enabled by default. Show an OK gesture to the camera to activate the tracking function. The indicator will then switch to solid green. If the subject is not successfully locked, the green light will blink. Show the OK gesture again to turn off tracking. Show a thumbs up gesture with both hands to switch between landscape and portrait modes. Show an open palm gesture to automatically take a photo or start recording. The indicator light will flash white 3 times, then perform the photo capture or video recording. Show a V gesture to enable the composition adjustment function. The indicator will flash cyan. This feature only works in tracking mode, and 2 V gestures are required to complete the setup. On the first V gesture, the AI module will pause tracking, so you can manually adjust the subject's position. By default, the subject is centered. Once the position is adjusted, show the V gesture again. The indicator will turn solid green, indicating that the composition is set and tracking will resume based on your new composition. In addition to tracking, you can also use the fill light function. Double-click the AI button on the remote to switch to fill light mode. The light features a fixed color temperature with adjustable brightness from 0 to 100. Press and hold the top button to increase the brightness, or the bottom button to decrease it. Double-click the AI button again to return to zoom or focus mode.